Hello. How are you girls? Are you lonely? Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. So sweet. Hello. Hello girls. We're still getting some more electrician stuff done. And I am cleaning, doing some disinfecting. Yes. Taking a quick snuggle break. Oh, you are so adorable. You're so cute. Oh, fingers. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness, I know you need some snuggles. I was going to bring the casserole over and let them have some playtime. But it's a little hectic right now in all the different rooms, so waiting. This room has been done, so bless you. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness, so sweet. So we have gotten a couple more applications for these guys, which is good. So hopefully today and tomorrow, well, probably tomorrow, we will go through and figure out where you guys are going to go. So we may be saying goodbye to these adorable little girls this week. I'm sure that we will, in fact. Oh, look at your tummy. Look at your little tummy. Oh, get her. You're too cute. Too cute. Too cute. Too cute. That's your mommy's favorite toy too. Yes, yours is orange though. Oh, so adorable. It will be very nice for them to get back into a home. Yes, they're very snuggly. We had their special snuggle time yesterday was from their first family. Wanted to come and spend some time with them. Oh, I'm not sure if that's the door. Nope. And we brought them their favorite green blanket, which when I went down to bring them back up, they're both curled up on their green blanket. That was very adorable. But yeah, so they wanted to come and see them, and so they spent lots of time giving them snuggles, and it was hard for them to say. It was hard to say goodbye, but they just wanted to see them, and poor Paul was definitely struggling to breathe, but just wanted to see them and one last time. So that was really sweet of them to come out, and I know the girls really enjoyed it. So now I'm gonna go. Okay, get together. So we will get the girls into a home very soon. I know I was totally hoping for a medical miracle too, but sadly, apparently they've been researching this, and they said that there's a shot that's in development that is currently in human trials and may be available in the next couple of years, that you get 4 shots, and you basically, lots of people who get this shot, their allergies go away or are significantly reduced. So that would be really cool. Yay! So, girls, you are too sweet. Too sweet. You got good snuggles yesterday, though. Yes, you did. What else? So, but I'm confident that we will find them an equally wonderful home. I just quickly glanced at some of the applications this morning. I hadn't had a chance to do that because of the trip to LA and just there was just so much going on here with Nova and Mr. T and Piney and these two and Casserole. So I quickly glanced, and I think that we do have some very good options. So I'm relieved about that, and thank you to anyone who has applied. I expect to be able to hopefully do the you're so cute do the choosing tomorrow. And I will be sending around for review today, and then we will chat about it and do what we need to do. So you little girls are so cute. Pixies, they're so cute. They're so sweet. They're very snuggly, and then they're very ferocious also. Very ferocious. They got some playtime with Cassidy yesterday, which was pretty adorable. Owl was quite unfazed by the whole thing. And of course, Eep was doing her best to be intimidating and ferocious while stalking Uncle Barty and Casserole. And Casserole didn't know exactly what to do. He was pretty excited, but he didn't know what to do. So then if when Eep growled at him, he would growl back, and then he would just get excited, and but he wanted to play so badly, but he wasn't sure what to do, so it was kind of cute. So we'll probably have a little more. Girls, they're having a tunnel ferret battle. Yeah, so I will definitely send their special blanket home with them. They wanted them to have something that had their smell and something that their favorite blanket. Oh my gosh, so sweet. So so I will bring the Cassidy over once everything settles down over here a bit. Oh, that little Eep, she's so wound up right now. She's gonna bunny kick everything she can get her little paws on. Mr. T is currently having a little snack. I think Nova is probably going to get returned this week also. It was nice for her to have a couple of days to recover from her spay, and she's doing really great in that regard, but she's still pretty shut down and scared, and so I don't think she's lonely, and I don't think it's the best thing for her to continue to keep her here. I think it would take a long time to get through to her and to have her feel safe. And I think that we've seen our best success working with them at the feeding station where they're more comfortable. So we will certainly continue to interact with her as much as possible at the feeding station, and see if we are able to make any progress with her. But I think keeping her here is just is not the kindest option for her. I think now that she'll have had about a week to recover from her spay, which is really good, so she won't be going out there with a fresh surgery, and she's had good nutrition and lysine and fortiflora and all the things, deworming and all of that, so she should be feeling a lot better actually, once she is back in her home environment. So that's, I think, what's going to happen there. Hello. And then Mr. T and Pioneer leaving on, I think, Thursday, 4 days from now. They're going to go to their forever home in California. So we might be down to, we might go from six cats to just one this week. And then who knows what's next. I'll either have some time to really get Cassidy's physical therapy going and try to get some things caught up around here, or who knows what will happen. You never know, right? Right, owl. Too cute. The trip to LA was great once we arrived. The actual travel part was somewhat eventful, but everything was great once we got there, and they're very happy. I don't know if they've updated the Facebook yet, but they did send me an adorable photo. He's so cute. Oh, Skipper and Tigers are getting so big. You are too cute. Oh, I don't know. I don't think there are any new updates. I'll show you. I'll see if I can show you the photo that they sent me. Oh, which reminds me. No. There they are. If you can see that. Do you want to see? That's your mommy and your brother. California. Oh, Eep. You're so cute. So cute. So we'll have a little bit of playtime later on. And that's about it. Whoops. Yes, there was some goat rage for sure. Yes, Tip tried to escape. She was kind of digging during takeoff. She was digging, and then somehow she got a hold of one of the zippers and just managed to get a hole, unzip herself a hole. And then they both tried to make a run for it. But I caught them, luckily, right in the nick of time. Yes, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. I've been inhaling bleach all morning. Doing some bleaching. Yes. Oh, so cute. You are too cute. It's true, she was good at breaking and entering. That is an excellent point. Yes, right, Miss Eep Eep Eep. Oh, Eep Eep Eep, you're so cute. So sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. So, I don't know, I think that might be all the updating we have. So, we may do some trapping this week or next week. I tried to trap a cat last week and was unsuccessful. A specific cat. Yeah, so who knows what's gonna happen next. You might have Cassidy cam during the day and empty Cassidy room cam at night, or I don't know what we'll do. Or maybe someone else will come here. Maybe there will be another pregnant feral cat out there. Who knows? This is the anticipation and suspense part, where there's no way to know what's going to happen. Oh, get it. So one of the things the electrician is doing is he's putting dimmers so that I don't have to have as many lamps in here, which is nice. And I haven't quite gotten this one adjusted properly, but it's a little bit better. Aren't he so cute? I feel like there's might be a light in that part that I could put into. That would be perfect. You're too cute. Should we investigate that right now? I think we should. Hi, girls. Let's see. What we need to do this way. Oh, that's not for you. That's not for you. Whoops. Clearly I don't know how to make this drill work. I feel like that's supposed to just, I don't know. I'm gonna ask Dave. Oh, obviously that doesn't work at all. Obviously that's not right. What? Do you want to help? You probably know how to do this. Because that can't possibly be right. Maybe it is. I don't know. Alright, let's see. Oops. And you want to take it off of that. Oops. They're so helpful. Ooh, wow, that's bright. Oh, that's interesting. Excuse me. Hi. Excuse me. Oh. I don't know what that is. That's not funny.